Hi students, today we can see the second category of the instruction set of 8085, the arithmetic group. There are different types of instructions like addition, subtraction, increment, decrement, etc. coming under this category. First we can see the different addition instructions. Let us see the type add R. ADD add represents addition and R is the symbol for a register, and this R can take values like A, B, C, D, E, H and L. And the meaning of this instruction is that add the contents of the given register with the contents of the accumulator and the result will be placed in the accumulator. As you know, since the operands are in general purpose registers, it is coming under the category of register addressing. And since the operands are in general purpose registers, no further memory read or write operation is needed. Therefore, it is having only one machine cycle, which is the opcode fetch cycle. And in the data transfer group of instructions, none of the flags are affected, but in almost all of the arithmetic group instructions, almost all the flags are affected, and in add R, all the flags are affected. Then next type, add M. This add the contents of the specified memory location to the accumulator and the result will be stored in the accumulator. And the memory location, the address of the memory location will be there in the HL register pair. And since the address of the memory location is specified indirectly in the register pair, it is coming under the category of register indirect addressing, and all the flags are affected by this instruction, add M instruction, and it is having two machine cycle, opcode fetch and memory read. The contents of the specified memory location is to be read and it is to be added along with the accumulator contents, and the result will be there in the accumulator. Therefore, first machine cycle is opcode fetch and second one is memory read. Then ADCR, add the contents of the register and accumulator along with carry. It is add register along with carry to the contents of the accumulator and the result will be there in the accumulator. Addressing, it is register addressing, and number of machine cycles is only one since the operands are in the general purpose registers and all the flags are affected by this instruction. Then ADCM, this add M, add memory with accumulator. ADCM means add memory with carry to the accumulator, and the addressing in this case is register indirect addressing. Number of machine cycles is 2 and states 7, and all the flags are affected by this instruction ADCM. Then next category is ADI data. Add the immediate data means the data given in the instruction along with the contents of the accumulator, and it is a 2-byte instruction and number of machine cycle is also 2. First one opcode fetch and second one memory read, and it is coming under the category of immediate addressing mode. ADI, I means immediate. It is the data is specified in the instruction itself. ACI data add with carry to the data and the accumulator. The result will be there in the accumulator. This A is equal to A plus the given data plus CY carry. The number of bytes required for this instruction is 2 and the number of machine cycles is 2 and states 7. Then DAD RP means add the contents of the given register pair along with the contents of HL pair, and the result will be there in the HL pair. For example, DAD B means the contents of the BC register pair is to be added with the contents of the HL register pair, and the result will be there in the HL register pair. So far we have seen addition instructions. Next, subtraction instructions. Sub R means subtract the contents of the register from accumulator, that is A equal to A minus R. Addressing mode is register addressing. Number of machine cycles is only 1, and all the flags are affected by this instruction. Sub BM, subtract the contents of the given memory location from accumulator. Addressing register indirect. Machine cycles 2, opcode fetch and memory read, and all the flags are affected by this instruction. Then SBBR means subtract the contents of the register from accumulator along with borrow. That is A equal to A minus R minus CY. Addressing is register addressing. Number of machine cycles 1, states 4, and all the flags are affected. SBBM means subtract memory from accumulator along with borrow. Register indirect addressing. Number of machine cycles is 2 and the number of states is 7, and all the flags are affected by this instruction. SUI data, subtracting immediate data from accumulator. This A equal to A minus the given data. 2-byte instruction, a number of machine cycle required is 2. All the flags are affected. Then SBI data, subtract immediate data, that is the data given in the instruction from accumulator along with borrow. 2-byte instruction, number of machine cycles 2 and number of states 7. All the flags are affected by this subtraction instruction. Then next, increment register. For example, INR R, increment the register content. Only one machine cycle, the opcode fetch, and the addressing is register addressing, and in this case not all the flags are affected. It is all except the carry flag, all other flags are affected. The carry flag is not affected by the instruction INR R. The next INR M, increment the memory content. Addressing register indirect. 1-byte instruction, number of machine cycles is 3. This first one opcode fetch, second one the contents of the specified memory location is to be read. That is second one memory read, and third one after reading the data it is to be incremented, and the increment data is to be placed in the corresponding memory location itself. Therefore the third machine cycle is memory write. Similarly, decrement instruction DCRR, decrement the register content, number of machine cycles only 1, and in this case also all flags except the carry flag are affected. DCRM, decrement the memory content. Addressing register indirect addressing, machine cycles 3, opcode fetch, memory read and memory write. All the flags except the carry flag are affected. Then INX RP, increment the register pair. If it is INX H, increment the contents of the HL pair, and in this case none of the flags are affected. In INX instruction, none of the flags are affected and the addressing is register. Machine cycle is only 1. Since the operands are in general purpose registers, the number of machine cycles required is only 1. Since no further memory read or memory write operation need to be performed. Then next, the last instruction is DAA, decimal adjust accumulator. Is the contents of the accumulator is changed from binary to BCD value. Normally the operations inside the processor is binary, but commonly we are dealing with decimal values. Therefore, once the data is found out, can be converted into decimal by using the instruction DAA. The addressing is implicit since the operand is placed implicitly in the accumulator. States 4 flags, all the flags are affected, and the machine cycle required is only 1. And the logical group of instructions we could study in the next class. Thank you, dear students, and if any queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you once